DS-805 automatic upper crimping machine. This machine is suitable for upper crimping to match with shoe last and facilitating the work in tool lasting machine. It has been designed with a side clip device to clamp the upper and avoid the displacement. The temperature of upper aluminum die is adjustable for softening the leather. After crimping, the lining is tightly bonded without any wrinkles or damages. The lower rubber mold is made from heat-resistant silicone, which fills its interval along with the expansion of the rubber mold and achieves more accurate upper forming.